beloved faculty and staff of Agcayang National High School, their proud parents and guardians, family, friends, visitors, and to the men and women of the hour, the graduates, masaulugong hapon sa inyong tanan. Around March or April 2011, I was just like you, attending my own high school graduation, too eager to come up to the stage to receive my own diploma. I was excited because after 4 years na pagmatag sa iyo para dili kaya sure na makabuo kung may as a consequence, finally, pwede na ako na-extend ang tulog kaya yun sila, pwede na ba pag-upili ang iyong na class schedule pag-agot sa college. #tulog is life. But this is not true for all ha. Depende pa rin sa college or university na inyong plans kailangan. But aside from excitement, I was also feeling anxious. Pull back. I really wanted to be in the moment, but ako ang time na natawag niya ng perfectionist. O sa laing pagkasulti, hadlong.
Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Richardson, Northern Mindanao, Division of Puliban, Dammaga District, Dammaga National High School, awards this flag of appreciation to John Paul C. Rosario, REACPA, MPA, in grateful recognition of his active and involved service as guest speaker during the 7th Senior High School Commencement Exercises with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa Katatag at Kinabukasan ng Bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th of May 2024 at Municipal Gymnasium, Poblasyon ng Dagan, Bukidnon. Signed, School Principal,